Hi guys and welcome back, and guess what? Today I'm teaming up with Batiste dry shampoo. If you guys remember, they were my favorite dry shampoo from last year, to show you 6 running late elegant hairstyles for work. So today's video was sponsored by Batiste dry shampoo. But something you might not know is that I was never on their PR list. I bought every single bottle of Batiste that you saw me use. So before we get on with the cute hairstyles, I'm going to show you the top 4. These are the best from this brand. And I'm doing today's tutorial with really dirty hair. It is flat, greasy, stinky, all the things that dry shampoos can fix for you, because who isn't running late in the morning? So the first product I want to tell you guys about is the original formula, because everyone loves this best. This isn't my favorite though. You'll see my favorite in a second, but I gotta mention this because it cleans your hair so well and it keeps it clean for more than a day. Now these do spray on white because it contains powder, but you can very easily rub them away. But the reason why the original is not my favorite is because of the scent. But Batiste has like 10 plus other scents that you can try out with the original formula. So let me show you guys my other favorite based on scent. So number 2 is the Bare Batiste. This one smells a lot softer than the original. And at number 3, this is based on scents. This is one of my favorite, called the Fruity Cheeky Cherry. Also, I love this packaging. I mean, look at this. Isn't that the cutest looking packaging? And my favorite dry shampoo is the Divine Dark. Now this line of dry shampoo has a hint of color based on your hair coloring. So if you have blonde hair, there's one for blondes as well. And the reason why this is my favorite dry shampoo is because it doesn't spray white, it sprays on brownish color. But the other reasons why I love this so much is because I think personally that this gives you more body texture and volume than the original. If you spray this on the ends of your curls, it's going to give you a beachier look. This also comes with these little tiny mini travel sizes, which I just love staring at, but I personally keep one in my car for when I'm out running errands. So yeah, so that was my favorite Batiste products. If you've been using Batiste, leave me a comment below with your favorite or your recommendation for people who aren't aware of Batiste. And you can find Batiste at Sally Beauty, Walmart, and Ulta, and I'll link it down below for you guys so you can go find more information. Okay, so let's get started with the hair tutorials. So hairstyle number 1 is a romantic half up and half down hairstyle. And for this one, after parting your hair, you're going to take a 3 to 4 inch section, twist it towards the center of your head, pull on the sides to make it more softer, and then pin it in place. And then just repeat 3 times per side. And hairstyle number 2 is an elegant updo. You're going to push your hair to one side and then pin it in place. And then with the heavy side, meaning the side with a lot of hair, you're going to start rolling the hair towards the opposite side. So you're going to grab a small section, twist, add in more hair, twist, add in more hair, and twist, and continue like that all the way across, and then start pinning in place. And then when you get to the opposite side of your head, you're going to twist upwards to create a bun, like a round bun shape before pinning everything in place. Now, I didn't quite like this style as much as I would have if my hair was one color, because if you guys look, half my bun is blonde and half the bun is black. So it looks kind of weird. So for the next hairstyle, I'm going to show you guys a different variation of it that looks better with people with ombre hair. So for this one, do exactly the same thing. However, when you get to the other side of your head, instead of tucking it upwards, we're going to tuck it under this time and then pin it more tightly against our nape. Also, if you're new to my channel, what I usually do is I always start off my tutorials with some dry shampoo and teasing the roots of my hair. So if you're doing updos in the morning, make sure you're spraying dry shampoo not just at the top but at the nape as well, because believe it or not, your nape gets really oily because it's right next to your skin. And hairstyle number 4 is a very easy, well, like every other hairstyle this tutorial, we're gonna do a half up style. So basically, we're gonna make a half up ponytail, wrap some hair around the hair elastic, and then we're gonna take a thick section right below it, incorporate this section with the main half up ponytail, and then tie that up. Then wrap another strand of hair around the second ponytail, and that's it. Now, hairstyle number 5 is a lazy French twist ponytail hack. So first, we're gonna clip out the crown and tie the bottom section into a low ponytail. And then leave out the left side, then twist the top section into a French twist. Before wrapping it around the bottom ponytail and incorporating it. Now lastly, take the left side, draw it to the middle, and wrap it around 2 fingers to form a French twist look. And then pin this section in place, and you're done. You can always just wear it like this. And by the way, this style is very secure, very chic, very office ready. You don't have to worry about it unraveling. You can also tease the bottom ponytail to make it even more glam. And that's it. And hairstyle number 6 is a faux waterfall braid ponytail hack. It's more like a 10-minute hairstyle, but it's cute enough that I want to show you guys how to do it. So here it is. So for this one, you're going to leave out your crown section and put the rest into a middle ponytail. Next, grab a 3-inch section at your part and make a normal braid. And after tying the ends of this braid, we're gonna grab a small section from our crown and pull it through the stitch. Now, I showed you guys how to do this so many times throughout the year, so I'm just gonna leave a link down below for you guys if you're new or if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do this. But basically, we're just doing a waterfall braid hack. And after you're done doing the waterfall braid, we're going to take the braid and incorporate it with the main ponytail. And then take the ends and drape this back and wrap it around the hair elastic and put this in with the ponytail as well. And we're done. If you guys like today's hairstyle, thank you guys for spending your time with me today. If you like today's hairstyle, be sure to give me a thumbs up and click on the notification bell to be notified of more uploads. And big thanks to Batiste for partnering up with me today. And I'll see you guys again in my next tutorial. I love you guys. Have a beautiful weekend, everyone. Bye.